This is Jackie with Nexus Property Management here at 175 Mill Pond in Hamden, Unit 233. This is the entranceway of a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath apartment on the first floor. Come from the entranceway into a large living room, dining area, kitchen, and there is an outdoor area for sitting off of the living room. We have the kitchen here, stainless steel refrigerator, stove, and dishwasher. It's a closet with the washing machine in the unit, which is nice. First bedroom off the hallway. Nice size closets. And we have our half bath. And then we have our full bath with a shower. So linen closet here, nice size. And this is our second bedroom. Again, nice size closets, little balcony off of this bedroom for sitting, air conditioning in the units. So this is Jackie with Nexus Property Management. When you rent with Nexus, you have access to our portal 24/7 for any maintenance problems, and you can pay the rent on the portal. If you are interested in this property, please let me know. Jackie at Nexus Property Management.